Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Strata House, a home designed by PH Plus Architects, located in Sydney, Australia. The architecture of this house embraces a unique stratified design, carefully adapted to the site's topography. From the exterior, Strata House showcases a perfect balance of solidity and openness. The lower level features a robust brick structure, providing both security and a welcoming presence. Meanwhile, the upper floors adopt a more transparent approach with full-height retractable glass, seamlessly connecting the indoor and outdoor spaces to embrace Sydney's temperate climate. The topmost level is designed for privacy, featuring layered panels that not only provide shade but also frame breathtaking views of the city skyline. For a closer look, enjoy the detailed images of this house from various angles.